Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product designed to elevate your grooming routine to the next level. MANSCAPED, the Beard and Body Bundle 4.0 Pro. If you're someone who values precision, durability, and versatility in your grooming tools, stick around as we break down what this bundle offers. Now let's take a closer look at what's included in this bundle. It's packed with two key grooming devices, the Beard Hedger Adjustable Length Precision Trimmer and the Mower 4.0 Pro Men's Waterproof Electric Groin and Body Hair Trimmer. The Beard Hedger is designed for beard lovers who want to take their grooming to a professional level. It features an intuitive zoom wheel with 20 different length settings, ranging from 0.5 millimeters to 10 millimeters, allowing you to dial in your perfect beard length without the hassle of multiple attachments. The trimmer's built-in motor runs at 7,200 RPM, ensuring a smooth, efficient trim. Plus, it's fully waterproof, making it easy to use in the shower or for quick cleanup. It also boasts a high-performance battery, providing you with up to 60 minutes of grooming time per charge. The Mower 4.0 Pro is designed with both groin and body hair in mind. Its flat blade system ensures a comfortable and safe shave, even in sensitive areas. Featuring skin-safe technology and a strong, consistent motor, this device guarantees a smooth shave with minimal irritation. And with a runtime of up to 60 minutes, you can easily handle any grooming session. Plus, the built-in LED light ensures you can always see what you're doing, especially when you're working in hard-to-reach spots. To top it off, this device is equipped with a travel lock, so you won't have to worry about it turning on accidentally in your bag. Let's talk about real-world testing and experience. Using both trimmers, I was impressed by how easy they were to maneuver. The Beard Hedger's adjustable length settings worked well, allowing me to customize my beard style quickly. It felt solid in the hand, and the waterproof design was a bonus, making cleanup after use a breeze. The Mower 4.0 Pro also lived up to expectations. The skin-safe blade made me feel confident trimming more sensitive areas, and the LED light was a game changer for those tricky spots. While both devices are efficient, I did notice that the lawnmower's motor can feel a little loud when running at full speed, but it didn't detract from its overall performance. Now let's get into the pros and cons. On the positive side, both trimmers are incredibly easy to use, and the Beard Hedger's adjustable zoom wheel really sets it apart from other beard trimmers I've used. It's versatile, allowing you to get a range of styles without needing a dozen attachments. The Mower 4.0 Pro also stands out with its waterproof design, making it perfect for shower use. The built-in LED light and travel lock are fantastic additions that increase its usability and convenience. However, there are a couple of cons. First, the noise level of the Mower 4.0 Pro could be a bit quieter. It's not a huge issue, but something worth mentioning. Additionally, while both devices are designed for durability, I would have liked to see a longer battery life, especially for extended grooming sessions. As for value for money, this bundle does offer a lot of value. You're getting two quality grooming tools with versatile features, such as the adjustable length on the Beard Hedger and the skin-safe technology on the Mower. While the price point is on the higher side, you're investing in a set of products that are built to last and perform consistently. When comparing this bundle to other options in the market, the MANSCAPED bundle stands out with its unique combination of waterproofing, the adjustable zoom wheel, and specialized features like the LED light and travel lock. In comparison, other trimmers might offer similar functionalities but often lack the same level of design attention to detail and specific features, like the travel case or skin-safe technology. In terms of build quality, both trimmers feel premium and well-built. The materials are solid and they have a good weight to them, making them feel substantial without being overly heavy. Given that both devices are waterproof, you can count on them to handle regular use, especially when it comes to wet shaving and cleaning. If you've interacted with Manscaped's customer service, you'll know they've built a solid reputation for being responsive and helpful. I didn't have any direct customer service interactions, but based on reviews, the company seems to prioritize customer satisfaction and quick support, so that's definitely a plus. Is this review useful to you? If it helped, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so that other grooming enthusiasts can find this video too. Now let's wrap it up. The MANSCAPED, the Beard and Body Bundle 4.0 Pro is a solid choice for anyone serious about grooming. It offers precision, comfort, and convenience, making it a great option for both beard and body care. If you're looking for a product that delivers on both performance and innovation, this bundle won't disappoint. Just be prepared for the slightly higher price tag, but it's justified given the quality of the tools and their features. Thanks for watching. If you want to get your hands on this bundle, you can find the link in the comments box. Got questions or already own the product? Drop them below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay sharp and keep grooming like a pro with Beautyistic.